You know, when we first started our company, we were a little bit of a maverick. We were out there building taller. We were putting new energy innovations into our facility everywhere we could, VFDs, LEDs, and people laughed at us. And it was kind of disconcerting to be one guy all by yourself. But what we're feeling like now, everybody's catching this revolution of sustainability, of energy efficiency, of operational efficiency. And it's like we're marching down the street and people are coming out of their houses to march with us in this pursuit of greatness. Over the last 10 years, the implementation of machine learning, of AI, of better systems and infrastructure to allow those controls to come through has just been really, really exciting. And what it's doing is allowing us to get real-time data to learn from our mistakes, to fix those mistakes, implement fixes in such a short amount of time compared to had been traditionally. You have an RFP, takes 2 years, and then you can implement this new machine, and then you have to wait 5 years for the payback, but we get instantaneous feedback now. That's really spectacular. The things that we really appreciate about these savings is over the last 20 years, electric costs have only gone up. You know, San Diego Gas and Electric, PG&E, you name it. They keep claiming that they're coming out with some new innovation that's going to save the world, but unfortunately that also comes at a cost to us, the end user. So we have to get really creative in what we do. Traditionally, we've done this through PLCs and mechanical controls that are manually operated. But what we're seeing now is the conversion from a typewriter to a computer. And now we're looking forward to the AI implementation of that, where it can track all the real-time data points and make these adjustments without us having to change the ribbon on the typewriter when we want to type in red or something. Like, this is finally where our industry has taken off. It's getting really exciting.